Andiyaman ang boto, nagwald-wald mo na. Sing-siling tatang tang kang kakang kakang tikang kang. Ang bokok kakang king, sukulukuting. Kangking kangking kangking. Kang karang kang kang. Ito na. Si Jenny, bitaw blood na yung buhok. We are going kulot. There. Ano na, brown na kay mong buhok na. There, over there. Yes. Gustong-gusto nila maglaba. Ay, inganin na lang dahil akong ihita sa imong buhok nang. Oy, your hair so longer.
Is it longer as you?
Yes, long.
Mommy, there's someone else that has long hair as well.
Yes, someone else.
But she's
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm saying words. So
Dahil yung task nila, di ba, mayroon akong task na gubuta akong buhok ko bisag din na. Mayroon akong task na ginawa. Nag-work siya kay every morning, naliligpit na sila ng kanilang blanket. Tapos, ang nangyari nito, mag-iPad man pa din sila. So, ganito na lang, maglakad-lakad kami dito kay pag walang ulan, okay, maglakad-lakad kami nila Jack para ma-exercise din nyo. Hindi, kadako pa rin aking tiyan. Okay lang si Jack. Okay lang aking Jack, hindi siya nag-iyak. Ang aking dalawang mga anak, gusto-gusto pa doon. Oh, sige lang. Huy, gihangak na ko. Ito lang yung aming... Ayan, dyan lang. Diba, ang daming tweet-tweet? Gihangak naman ko lang. Uy, ito yung sign na sobrang taba ko na talaga. Ayaw ko talaga itong aking body. Gusto ko very slimmer. Nak, JJ, do you think mommy look better slim or fat? Slim? Slim. Oh, si Jessica. When I'm slim, I look pretty?
Mommy's the reaction.
Yes. How about Jenny? Do you like mommy slim or fat?
Slim.
Oh, slim to. Si Daddy Wayne, slim. Oh, hindi magpa-slim si mommy, good. I trust my kids in think. That is fat. Mas i-trust ko yung ang opinion ng aking mga anak kasi sila man yung importante opinion sa akin. Si Wayne din gusto niya. Mas okay talaga sa akin slim. Kahit sa mata ko, mas gusto ko na slim ako. Hindi yung para akong ganito. O baboy yun, muragi bidli, muragi ambot na para nanapas mo. Gusto ko ganito yung aking katawan. And yes, para healthy. It doesn't mean na slim, hindi ka healthy. Oy. Meaning slim ka, you eating a proper diet. Magkuha na si Inday Elgin ninyo. Mag-food instructor na si Inday Elgin. Tuwa na siya. Yes, we go all the way back down to the grass. Nak, how can mommy? How? Kana ba na plant? Yan oh, yan, garing-garing. Para yan sa piring. How can mommy? Gusto ko mag-istorya ba na same kay Jessica yung accent. Paano kaya no? Siguro pag mag-start na ako ng work, hindi lang tayo magmadali. Enjoy lang natin muna si Jackay. Hello? Yes? Mommy? Yes? Yes, baby? What do you want, baby? What you said, May?
You know what you said?
What?
When you call our name.
I want your mommy's accent same as yours. Will you teach me?
No.
Will you teach me how to talk like you?
No.
Is the accent very good? Tuan na dancer dito oh. Dancer sa kuan. Dayang-dayang ang palangkat kangkang.
I know how to
Ay ka lang, i-check. Tulun-tulog. Uy, kaluoy na. Check in taon siya. Kaya naguntul-untul man kanyang pram. Sleepy na ka, Jack. Hala, inantok. Hala, Jack is sleepy, anak. He looks sleep. Agay, nakamrasan na lagi. He scratch his face again. Ang saon naman na. Nagkisi-kisi. Dahil ni siya na. Yes? Now, we take the wrong way, anak. This one is so bouncing the Jack.
close now.
Yes, it's closed.
Where do they work?
Huh?
So where
By
do
there.
they work now?
Nak, kuan sa man na mami nak be.
What?
This one here. Over there. See over there?
What?
Over there.
What?
Over that tree.
What?
You hold this one, please. Like
Why?
that.
No.
Like this. Please na. Jenny, halisa lang, be.
Can you climb the tree?
Okay. This one, okay, is nice.
But can you climb the tree?
You hold, agoy, careful, anak, agoy. Careful.
Okay.
Oh, sige, you're the one hold that, JJ.
Where do I hold it?
Just hold like that, right there.
E.
It's not your face here. Jenny, you just sa mami lang. Jenny, come sa. Jenny, come here. Here ba? Man tayo masugo, eh.
Mommy, it's again.
Mga Bisaya niya, eh. Wag muna tayong umuwi. Si Jenny. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Go. Wag muna tayong umuwi. You just had, yes. You just had to lay down this there. Okay, like that. Wag. Hotel? Yes, because mommy like to layas before because mommy and daddy is not friend. You remember that?
Yeah.
Mommy and daddy is not friend and we go out, we go somewhere in the hotel.
Yeah.
Do you want to do that
Maybe
again?
go on the taxi.
Want to do that again?
Yeah, but I don't want to be mad.
Ah, okay, not be mad. You like mommy and daddy be happy together? Yeah, not fight?
No.
You like mommy and daddy fight?
No.
Why?
Because you're scaring me.
Oy, you scared the eye.
Yeah.
If mommy and daddy fight, who you feel sorry for, mommy or daddy?
Dad.
How about JJ?
Actually, mommy. I don't want to choose.
Ha? Who is it? Is ayaw niyan
Let me have a think.
ayaw yan magsabi si JJ kaya ayaw niya ma-upset ako.
Yeah, I don't know.
Agoy, nasakit ka akong kamot, boy.
I don't know.
They don't know? I know, oy, when mommy and daddy fighting kay you feel sorry for daddy because mommy is scary. Sa kanilang daddy yan si Akampi.
Yeah, I know
Yes,
that.
I know that.
But
Hala, look! Para talagang unsa, oy. Building lang pala itay Elgin para mang unsa may ipakita.
this means
Yes?
no talking. Emergency access only.
Yes. How to read that in Welsh?
I don't know.
Megi jay kubari ko po kubari kang kangkang songkong ka.
Mommy, I know how to pray in Welsh.
Yeah,
I can
what is
show-
this? Prayer?
Yeah, every end of the assembly we have to.
Okay, pray dayon be.
No,
In Welsh.
but can you not do it on your phone? And turn the camera off.
Ah, oo eh, lagi mi siya oy murag iyang papa lagi. Tignan nyo, ako naka-jacket. Sila walang mga jacket.
I've been here before on the ground.
Yes.
Wait, he's Nathan. I don't remember.
Be careful ta diri lang kay there's a lot of people oh. At dito kami sa main center. Dito ako nagda-drive oh. Yan. Papuntang Asda yan dyan.
Our house.
Whose house?
Are they still making the house?
Yes.
This is fine.
Which side? Alo! Dakuan na nakoy! Na oh, itik! La, look, it's flying! Zoom it.
Hello. Okay. Can it not fly
Tara oh.
anymore?
Tara.
Can it not fly?
Okay, sige Jenny! Fly it away! Buka sa fly it away eh. Go! Go, dayon! Go ba? Lang, it's not flying na. Wah! Did it poop you?
No.
No. Okay, let's go.
There we go.
Did you enjoy your kuan today? Hala, kadlok man ani oy. Ang building nila oh, mayroong kuan gawa-gawa. Yan oh. Ay, asan ba yan? Hala, very high, very tall. Useless kay na nga ko anak. Very useless the chair. I don't know why it's like that. Very useless. Yeah, you cannot sit there.
Why?
Is Jack asleep? Hala, natulog. Hala, natulog na siya. Nagusto pala niya maglabas-labas sa stroller.
I want this side.
Ha?
I made it up. Mommy, I'm
Which one?
sleeping.
Slippery na. Be careful.
I want this side.
They said nothing. There's nothing said there.
It does. It says.
What?
Wait. It's so hard to read.
Wait. Oh, it's a name, Jenny. Ah, yeah, there's a snack. That's why he's there. Hala nak, mahadlok man kumatagakan tayo dyan nak, uy.
But it's very slippery.
Yes. Meron akong kwento sa, hala, there's another trolley there nak. Oh, may kwento. Ragun sa Marites. Ayo, there, the scooter. Ayong kuan ba, last few times, there. I know the, you know when you grocery? When you grocery. Last trolley or trolley.
Oh, grocery.
Grocery coach. Grocery trolley. Last time.
What do you say, what do you say, more grocery cart?
Yeah, okay. Di man ta kamarites ani oy, daghan man siya istorya oy. Last time, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, diyan na lang nakin ipaharap sa inyo ha, kay Jessica. Di ba, ala, pistol nak, naglupad-lupad akong sayal nak, akong panty nak, makita nak. Kuan ba, last time, mali na lang. Nag-shorts man ko, pero katong boxers ba?
That's why you have to wear shorts.
I have, but it's very kuan, low.
Very what?
Low.
No, what does
Yes.
that mean?
Low ba, low.
Low? So that means it's very long?
Not long, low. Short. Kuan ba?
That short and low is not the same.
Yes.
So why did you
Last time, di ba? Go there in front of mommy, please. Para makita ko kayo. Sige naman, tag-uan ni. Oy, nakita nyo ng grocery ako. Ako lang pala ako. Tapos, nagpunta akong Asian shop. Ako lang mag-isa. Alam nyo, ako naman nag-volunteer noon. Most of the time, si Wayne yung pumunta. Pero hindi man siya vlogger, oy. So, hindi nyo nakikita na si Wayne yung nag-grocery. Kaya wag ko daw ipamper yung aking asawa. Dapat daw yung aking asawa yung mang-grocery.
Is that Audi?
Yes, mamili. Ganito, ganyan.
I thought it was Audi, not
Kay bago pa daw ako ng anak. I understand everybody is concerned. 1 month pa lang ako ng anak. Pero huy, kay Jessica bitaw, 1 month pa lang ako anak. Ako na magsagub. Ako na akin na lahat. Kaya wala man akong asawa doon. Kay si Wayne, nandito man yun siya sa UK, no? Wala akong kasama doon sa apartment. Akin lahat talaga. Wala akong katulong. I'm very fine. As long as hindi na ako mag-alsa ng super mabigat. Para hindi ako mabinat. Dito kasi UK, wala silang mga binat-binat. Pero, ang kuan lang, gusto ko sabihin sa inyo si Wayne naman, hindi naman siya, this one, there. Si Wayne naman, hindi naman siya ganyan. At saka ako lagi nag-volunteer. Kaya diba, akin yung money. Akin yung lahat na
Did I not
gusto.
smell anything or did I just not smell it?
I think you smell it. Akin yun lahat na gusto. Kay si Wayne, hindi naman niya ma-open yung bangko.
No, did I
Bibigay ako sa kanya yung pino-forward ko ganyan para mag-grocery kami lahat sa
I don't know.
Sa
I don't know if
Norton.
there was a smell.
Yeah, there's no smell, anak. Ngayon na, nandito na si Jack. Hindi na namin kaya na kami lahat. Ganyan nung nangyayari.
That little car doesn't
Wait.
look like a Nissan.
Yeah, sa mukha man niya. Daghan ka niya siya yaw-yaw mag-vlog ko do. Di ko makakonsentrasyon. So, ayan yung nangyari. Ako yung nag-grocery kay tulog naman si Jack. Matagal man magising si Jack. So, sabi ko sa kanya, Honey, ikaw na lang dito sa bata mag-alaga. Ako magpunta sa labas. Oy, natulog man din siya. Pero 3 hours kasi matutulog si Jack. So, okay lang. At yung grocery ko, 1 hour lang naman. Okay. Haya. Haya. Go da, dear be. So, yun. Ako na yun ang grocery kay alam nyo bakit ayaw ko siya magbunta grocery kay hindi alam kung anong bibilhin kahit ilang beses na kami nagsama-sama. Kulang-kulang. Walang asin, walang mga ganito, walang ganyan. Oh, kung ako yung magpunta kasi mas organized kasi tayo babae. So ako na lang pamper. Hindi ko naman siya pinapamper. Oy, tulungan man kami pero sometimes meron din. Alam nyo, sometimes hindi siya maghugas ng plato, magalit man ako sa kanya, pero sometimes iniisip ko ba na uy kayo magalit-galit sa ni hugason. Iniisip ko na lang na hala yung iba meron pang mas worse, pero sometimes magalit jud ako sa kanya, lalo na magtingin-tingin lang bitaw siya ng TV nya si Jack bitaw kay ako lang mag-wild si Jack ganito, pero gumutunta din siya doon sa akin, sabi siya sa akin na Mommy, bring Jack in my room, in our room. Hindi man ako mag-ano sa kanya, makinig. Sabi ko, no, it's okay here. Pero galit na ang aking isip. Eh, para sa isip ko, ay, ako lang dito nagbilar-bilar siya, nagtanaw-tanaw sa TV. Pero wala naman kasing alam si Wayne. Akin man yun What happened? Did you fall? Hala. What happened lang? I didn't see what happened. Let me see. Hala, is that your ankle that hurts? It's okay, it's okay. Give JJ a hug lang. It's okay lang. You hurt? What did you do? Did you fall over? Huh? Shall we go with Daddy now? Come here. Please give JJ a hug. JJ a hug. That's okay. Go na ka. Go with Jenny ka. Quickly kay. It's getting kuan naman na oh. Getting air fresh. Sorry, air fresh. Uy. Air strong ba? Nak, what do you call the air strong?
Windy.
Wind strong? Wind blowing?
Wind's very strong.
Oh, the wind is very strong. Go na, Jenny!
No, the wind is getting strong.
Oh, the wind is getting strong. Oh, you have their tears. We cut your nails, huh? Let's go. Did you enjoy our day out? Yeah? And Jenny as well? Did you enjoy our walking?
There's something went in your eye.
Your eyes?
No, Jenny, something went in the eye. No, there's nothing. I'm just...
Why you're like that? Is that because of the iPad? No.
No, it's because I don't want the wind to go in my eye.
Oh, bitaw ha. Make sure ha. Make sure. Oh, let's go na. Wala na akong chismis, oy. O, sige na nga, oy. Yun na nga. There's no big deal, bro. Tulungan mo kami. Pero pag work kasi si Wayne, hindi ko siya pwede gisingin para magkuhan kay Jack. Magdidi man si Jack sa akin. Langan gisingin ko pa ni. Padidi mo yung bata sa aking suso. Hindi man kasi siya battlefield. So, ganun ang nangyayari. Ako lang yung nagbilar. Yes. Ako lang ang walang tulog pag at night. So, yeah, she was sick because of the weather. Pero most of the time naman talaga hindi man nag-wild si Jack, which is very lucky namin. Huh?
They like little fish.
Yes, Ate only have little fish. This mommy house, oh, mommy house. I like to have fish, do you? But they're quite expensive to take care. You have to buy the food and the tank and the water and the electricity because they need to breathe out inside the tank. Oh, they're very expensive to take care.
What kind of fish do you want?
Gold?
Yeah, I like gold.
Goldfish.
How about clown?
I don't like clown. They're ugly. Are they ugly?
No.
Oh, they're not ugly. The clownfish? I like Nemo. Can you buy me Nemo fish?
Nemo is the clown.
Oh, is it? Oh,
So
okay.
that means you do like
Is Nemo is the clown there? I didn't know that.
because Nemo is stripy.
Ah. So, ayun. Pauwi na kami nilang Inday.
Did they always change it to the like?
Yes, they always change their gardens. I like this design. You know, this house design is so modern. It's not like ours, like parang 1950, 16, 19 forgotten is the everything. Yes?
Our house.
Yeah.
Because Daddy said that.
Yes. Soon when mommy get a lot of salary, we buy our beautiful house.
No.
Do you know that? When mommy and daddy become successful and mommy have work.
Wait, you can work again?
Yes, when Jack is a bit bigger.
Wait,
And then we buy our beautiful... What's that? Why is prit? Oh, it's alarm.
Yeah, I did say alarm.
Yes, it is. What is it, Jenny? Grass.
It's burnt grass.
Sada kay silag accent.
Doing that.
You said daddy when daddy said to me, if I work here, my accent will change because I will be talking to the Filipino people, different people in the Philippines, in the world, in the whole world, and my accent may...
Why are you talking so fast?
Yes? What do you want, Jennifer? What do you want the explanation to mommy? What? I don't know him. Who's that?
No, it's like a cup have a cup head.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah.
And there's a
You
black
should
one.
be aware of what you're watching, yeah? Not the bad one. Hello, why is very cold here?
Because it's the same.
The shade is making me cold. Si Jack bitaw kay natulog. Tulog na si Jack nak, no? What's wrong? Huh? That's not ours. Come here. Pumunta sa iba. Magising na si Jack. I think magdidi pa yan. Careful, there's a car, anak. There's a car, anak. Quickly. There's a car, quick.
It's not.
You okay? Hello, ay ani. Oh. Just go at the inside ka, ha? Ang aming bata. Say hello. Ano? Hello, big boy na ko, titas. Ha? Hi. Hi.
Oh, you're back.
Why?
I was just going to jump on my bike and go out.
Really?
I thought, because I seen you quite that way, I thought, oh, you come over to the bench.
Too late. Too late, Daddy. Say,
Sun's out, doesn't it?
yeah.
Makes you feel different, doesn't it?
Say, too late, Daddy. Go out again with the kids. Did you just burp? Nga mayong buntag sa tanan, mayong uto, mayong gabi. Dali pa Didi ko to kay. Didi? Didi? Do you wanna take din init man? Uy, ali bi. Take this one off. Muna man ka nagiputos suman ay. Ginamituhan ko siya kay bago man yan siyang ligo. Kanilang mama naligo yan pero parang mong yang walang ligo everyday. Wala mura ay nalipang. You poop. He poop. No wonder why he can't sleep properly. Dali kay mami. Okay, magbihis ang bata.
Oh, Jack?
Jack.
Why?
He poop.
Oh. He, I seen you come back and I seen you go again. I thought, oh.
No, we were playing there at the back.
I thought, oh, you must be going to sit on that bench over there.
Too late. Say too late.
Got a bird in the tree.
Where?
Pigeon. See it?
No?
Come here. Quick. I didn't know he was on the high table.
Asa na? Papidyo daw niya ng langgam, uy. Tuara. Papidyo ni Wayne. Hello, do you think I'm still normal or abnormal? Tuang na pa diya. Akin itong kuanin, hiluin akin itong iyang toilet para ma-surprise naman siya, no? Medyo meron pa akong time ito, nilabhan ko na itong kanyang towel. Sobrang tagal na itong towel niya, kaya ganyan ang kulay. Ang nangyari nito is, teka lang. Asa naman yun? Teka, magkuha muna ako. Huy, alam niyo ba, no? May chika ako sa inyo. Wala na akong confidence sa sarili. As in, simula nung nanganak, nabitaw ako. Nabuntis. Simula na nabuntis pala, hindi nanganak. Simula na nabuntis ako. Meron pala akong barita dito, oh. Yan. From the Philippines. Oh. Mut kayo. Namiss ko talaga itong mga ganitong mga sabon. Maganda kasi tawas puti. Kuan, manggod. Anong chismis na ko sa inyo ba? Maritis biya ako. In my wearing my uniform again, as you can see. I will clean my husband toilet because I love him. Even if, I'm very busy. I give time to clean his toilet. Tawag nito ba? Simula nang nanganak ako or nabuntis ako kay Jack, marami akong mga ibang iniisip na feeling ko may iba siya. Yung mga ganun, bitaw normal ba ako? Pero wala man yung iba si Wayne. Ay, yung aking utak lang talaga yung parang abnormal yun siya. Gift pala to. Pistol. Gift to ni Ate Orny kay Wayne. So, palagi ko siyang kinukumpronta na, hane, pag mayroon ka ng iba, bitaw, sabihan mo lang ako. Siguro dahil sa kanang mga nakikita ko sa Facebook, bitaw, na mga asawa nagchichit. Hala, I love daddy. Diyan yan nilagay. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, oh, may sticker dyan. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, honey, you know what? If you do that to me, ramdam ko lang naman. Pakiramdam ko lang talaga. Iwan ko sa akin, uy, yung aking utak lang talaga na parang may iba man, uy, na baka may iba na siya. Yung ganun ba? Parang baka may iba na siya. Naghanap na siya ng hindi mataba. Nawala yung self-confidence ko. Mula yung nabuntis ako mula nung kay Jack, kay Jenny, hindi naman ako ganito kahit sobrang, siguro, ang nangyari is, payat di ba ako? Nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, sobrang akong nag-itim, tapos sobrang akong slim. At nakita, minahal ko talaga yun na self ko, as in, mahal na mahal ko yun na aking self, na parang ang aking confidence, kahit tumaas, yung, ay, ganun bitaw, hindi na ako nag-iisip na, baka hindi niya ako mahal, baka makahanap siya ng iba, feeling ko, mayroong iba, yung mga ganun. Feeling ko lang talaga na, pakiramdam ko yun ay na, oy, naramdaman ko, baka may iba na siya. So, palagi ko siyang sinasabi, honey, you have someone else. Sabi niya, how can I have someone else na, busy daw siya sa kanyang life, tapos wala na daw yan sa kanyang utak, yung mga someone else. Meron akong video sa CCTV, na delete ko lang, na hinag niya ako, tapos kanang wala gid akong self-confidence. Honey, I'm so fat now. I think you will be, maybe you find someone sexy. Ganun yung aking mas sinabi. Find someone sexy, find someone na maganda, mas bata sa akin. Uy, simula nung tumanda ako, noon sa naman ako, uy, I'm 31 years of age, walay buot. Oh, in the LG ninyo. Nawala yung aking, sabi ni Wayne sa akin, bakit ka ganyan? Dapat ako siya daw yung issue na ganyan, kay bakit siya man yung mas matanda sa amin, dapat siya daw yung mayroong mga iniisip na ganyan. Sabi niya sa akin, sabi ko, I don't know honey, because maybe I'm big. Sabi niya, it's normal dahil nagka-Jack ka, tignan mo naman si Jack, nating ginawa. Mabalik lang man yung kuan mo. Namiss ko kasi yung body ko dati na yung sobrang slim. Namiss ko talaga. I clean my husband toilet. Sa kanya kasi ito dito. So, hugasan ko lahat ng mga kuan para mawala yung alikabok. Feeling ko lang yun, ha? Kanang, sinasabi ko naman din sa kanya, I think you have someone else. Binibigay niya sa akin yung kanyang cellphone. Ano kasi kami ni Wayne, wala kaming pakialamanan sa cellphone. Cellphone here is very private. Yung parang personal things mo, na parang wallet mo, hindi kagaya sa dati, meron akong jowa sa Pilipinas, palitan ng password, open ng Facebook, ganun. Hindi kami ganyan. Dito kasi big deal sa kanila, mga British people, lalo na yung, hindi ko talaga alam yan, ay akala ko normal lang dito, mag-cellphone, mag-check ka ng cellphone, hindi sa kanila dito. Kasi merong kanang ano ba, meron kaming pinapanood na mga celebrity bitaw, meron silang who check the phone of the partner. Hindi pala normal sa kanila yan. Yung palitan ng cellphone, open ka ng cellphone ng asawa. I don't know sa others, no? Pero sa amin ni Wayne, wala. So, yung mga pagdududa ko, binibigay niya yung cellphone niya sa akin. Tapos nahiya naman ako. Sabi ko, no, I don't wanna check your phone. Siya, then never din yan siya nag-open ng aking cellphone. Sometimes lang pag makahawid lang yan ng cellphone ko, pag meron akong ipacheck sa kanya, nak, let's watch this one so that daddy's toilet is daddy happy cause the toilet clean. Ito yung ginamit ko nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Divine, Gaultier Divine, John Paul. Mabango yung mga John Paul na mga perfume. Ito yung mga perfume na mga kuan, regalo, gift ko yan kay Wayne. Ito, mga John Paul. Mahal yan siya. Pero di mo pagsisihan kay bakit mabango. Nak, let's wash all of this, anak. Pero sabi nila, di daw nagkakamali yung ating inisip, but I don't think na ganyan si Wayne kay normally hindi nga yan naghahawid ng cellphone, wala nga yan social media, walang Facebook, wala lahat-lahat. Ambot anak niya, uy, nairihis, nag-upload ako ng picture niya doon sa YouTube, Facebook, sa aking page. Thank you for the following the page in the LG. Na-shock yung iba kay, bakit nga daw hindi daw sumasali, bakit daw hindi napapapicture, baka daw takot na mayroong makakita ibang babae na kasi private yun talaga siya ay. Iba yung hilig niya sa light. Magkuhan-kuhan lang din sila ni Bayaw. Mag-inom-inom. Yan yung hilig niya. Mag-inom sila ni Bayaw. Tapos, hala, patay. Kanya, ano pa bang ginagawa nila? Mag-assemble. Hala, nak, I need someone thing that can dry the kuan. Ito na, nakakuha na ko ng towel. Mag-assemble sila ng motor. And I don't think naman, maghanap pa si Win ng iba. Pang babae. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, up to you. Sinasabi ko sometimes na, hanap ka ng kuwan, masiksi, Tatawa lang niya sa akin. Naranasan nyo din ba na nawala yung self-confidence ninyo? No, feeling nyo, kay pangit kayo mo, na hindi na kayo sexy. Sobrang taba na. Sometimes din kasi may magsabi sa'yo ba, sobrang taba mo na Inday. Sa akin, wala kay ka, parang kang bago. Kaya siguro nawala yung self-confidence ko. Mas gusto ko kasi payat ako yung kagaya dati. But sabi ni Karen, Day, hindi ka matagalan ng pagpapayat, Day. It's hot. Kay si Jack, malakas magdidi, tapos lalaki. Iba daw yung lalaki. Kay Jenny kasi, bilis, ay matagal akong pumayat, mga after 2 years. Tapos lalo na pag breastfeed, madali lang daw pumayat. Pero matanda na kasi ako, 31 na ako ba niya. Siguro yung aking mga gani sa anong tawag nito digestion natin ba? Hinay na siguro akong digestion. Kaya ganun. We clean daddy toilet. Bango nito Ito ulit dalhin ko kay referable. Ayan pwede siyang i-refill. Ayan. So, I'll bring this back to the Philippines. You want to go with mommy in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Oh, do you?
Because I don't know what to take.
What?
I don't know what to take yet.
You don't know what it look like?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gusto nila sumama sa akin. Ayan na. Hala, nag-init na. Thank you, Lord. Nag-init. Hindi ako mahirapan maghatid kay Kuan. JJ. Mahirap pag mag-ulan. Kuti. Saan naman Kuan? Sige na, magpatuloy muna ako dito. Mag-amping kayong lahat. Na-enjoy kami ng mga kahapon pala yung labas namin ng mga bata. Nilabas ko na naman sila. Para hindi masyado mag-gadget-gadget. Bahay kasi mag-gadget. Sabi nila, paano mo daw malaman pag mayroong babae yung asawa mo? Comment down below. Bye-bye!